We're still here in Bordeaux, France. Today we're heading to this amazing World War II submarine base. During the war, Bordeaux became a strategic location for the German military forces who occupied the town at the end of June 1940. The city's location near the Atlantic Ocean and its port facilities made it the ideal location for a navy base. Initially, the Italian submarine force were to operate from here, and from September 1940, 32 submarines were stationed at the port. However, with nothing more than camouflage netting to disguise them, their vulnerability to air attack was a constant issue. So, a decision was made to create this mammoth building. Work commenced in 1941, and after 19 months it became operational in May 1943. This was also when the German 12th Flotilla of U-boats were assigned to this base and began operations from this location. Of course it was bombed, mainly by American aircraft. However, despite some damage, it remained operational through to August 1944 when it was abandoned by the German troops. The structure remained largely intact and was used by engineering companies through to the 1990s. However, today it has been repurposed as an art centre. So we're visiting the current installation, the Basin de Lumières, or the Basins of Light. So let's head inside and get our tickets. We visited in 2024 when an adult ticket cost €15. Lockers are available for free before you enter as well. Once you have your ticket, you head inside to see the show, which repeats, so you can easily see the whole thing no matter what time you enter the building. exit through the gift shop. This was a great experience for us and a really interesting venue. Be sure to check it out if you're in Bordeaux. We felt it was really worth the entry fee. That's all for today though. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.